Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to take breaks properly. So breaks are something which should actually uh, make your next session productive. So you're taking breaks so that you're energized and you feel like doing the next session, and it shouldn't be something which actually breaks your flow and which breaks the momentum of the day. So usually, like, no, there is something like called work life balance, which basically means like you do work and get a reward. Like, basically, treat yourself like another person, don't treat yourself like a slave. I think this is a famous quote from Jordan Peterson. Like, treat yourself like another person. Like, how would you treat if you had an assistant? You would give him work and you would reward him for doing the work. So that's how you do it. You don't reward the person by giving him more work. So practically I would how it works, like how things worked out for me is like I do my work and then I watch uh Netflix, like either rom-coms, like I think it's, yeah, sitcoms, like The Big Bang Theory, Friends, and the Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So I would suggest you, like, do your work, watch Netflix, or whatever energizes you. So I found that, like, this is the best way to take a break, and it actually helps me in, it puts me in a good state. Like, so how do you say, so yeah, so this actually puts me in a good state. So get a Netflix membership, because it's really difficult to do that Telegram bullshit and all. So this is actually worth it. I think it's around 150 or 199 or something. It's totally worth it, because if you go for a single movie, it's gonna cost you more than this. So yeah, get it. uh yeah, it's gonna put you in a good state. So I find that, laughing or whatever, learning something, it definitely puts me in good state and helps me with my next session. So yeah, that's it for today. And if you want more such uh videos, you can, yeah, hit subscribe and, yeah, join the journey. Peace.